Okay, so I just finished reading you the book, and now you each in your package have your own treasure chest where you're going to decorate it. Okay? I have some jewels here that I've included in your package. You can decorate it any way you want to. You don't have to use my jewels I sent with you. You can use glitter, you can use crayons, you can use stickers, whatever you want. I choose to use these jewels because I want it to look like I have treasure. First, you have to peel off this little white sticker in the back gently because you're going to leave that little white sticky foam on it. So I'm going to look at my treasure box. I'm going to put the heart right underneath the lock. There we go. I'm going to add a few more things, a few more jewels, like these yellow ones. So I'm going to take off the adhesive, stick one over here. See? I'll take another adhesive. Another yellow jewel. Stick it on here. Okay, it's my box. I'm going to put some jewelry in here when I am done. And just one more jewel I'm going to add so it can be complete. So another purple jewel. And we'll put this one right on the top. I love the way it sparkles. Go. Purple jewel right on top. This is my treasure chest. I hope you like it.